let me take this opportunity to salute the admirable dedication and exemplary service of the men and women in our National Guard throughout this pandemic. And they have left their homes when called, they have served where they were needed, and they continue to earn our recognition and our gratitude. Thank you to each and every Guard member and to their families. We truly, truly appreciate their service. I wanted to go back and follow up on the line of questioning that the gentlelady of Montgomery County began with regard to PA Vet Connect and County Veteran Services officers. And in November of 2020, there was a press release from DMVA, and it stated that a key component of PA Vet Connect is an information and referral database to assist county directors of veteran services and veteran service organizations who serve veterans. And I think that this database, the GIS mapping that you discussed is truly, it's a worthy goal. The second part of the PA Vet Connect initiative is to hire regional program outreach coordinators to serve as liaisons between the department and veterans service officers. Is that correct?
That's correct, ma'am.
Okay. So it's this part of the initiative that has generated some concerns that I'm hearing from veterans service officers in the field. And one current longtime manager of the veteran services in the Commonwealth, to sum up his concern, said, "We don't need additional people to refer veterans and survivors to others. What we need is more trained and accredited veteran service officers who fully understand veterans law and the legal evidence requirements for veterans to be successful in applying for benefits." So, General, my sense is that they are asking for your support for more boots on the ground. And I think that the concern is that these are going to be managers in Harrisburg. Because our veteran service officers, they are the first line of contact for our veterans' benefits, and they are embedded into our local communities. And I think it's important to remember that they're not state employees. They incur no legacy costs to the taxpayers. And what you have put forward is that the PA Vet Connect job announcements for program coordinators is saying that these are going to be state employee positions with salary ranges from $51,000 to $78,000 a year. So the concerns are that the coordinators may not be performing non-essential, that they might be providing duplicative services that our existing VSOs are performing, that they may lack the training and the accreditation of our county and organizational VSOs to perform direct casework, and may be diverting resources from the existing VSO program. So can you tell me how much of the present $560,000 funding for Vet Connect is going towards the establishment of the database, and how much is going toward the hiring and support of the program coordinators?
Yes, Senator. So the in 2021 budget had a total of $560,524 budget, and expended to date was $353,957. For operating was $63,600. That was the budget in 2021, and expended to date was $22,679. For personnel, the budget was $496,900, and we expended to date $331,277 of that expended to date. So that's does that answer your question, ma'am?
I guess I'm looking at how many coordinator positions are being established in total through this increased allocation, and will they be accredited service officers?
There are 5 being established, ma'am, but they won't be accredited service officers. No, no, ma'am.
So what is the value added?
They're not working as veteran service or officers, ma'am. They're doing the coordinating in the field. Some of the concerns I hear about benefits from veterans that I've heard are really about federal benefits that they're trying to get to, and maybe we're sharing some of the same concerns from the constituents you're hearing about. So the RPOCs are there to help assist those folks in that capability. If I'm missing the boat, Mr.
Well,
Ferraro is working with them too.
I
He
appreciate
might
that. I
be-
mean, I really think that the concern that I'm hearing locally, and I think that our county does, you know, the County of York does a admirable job in this work, but I would request that you take under consideration the concerns of our county, as well as organizational veteran service officers that are being funded under Act 66, with an eye to assuring that your resources will provide more boots on the ground to actually do the work to connect those veterans, as opposed to having people sitting in an office directing resources. That's really what I'm hearing we need for our veterans, and I would really appreciate that.